In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display monochrome printing in AutoCAD quickly and easily so you can preview and print your drawings in clean black and white. This is especially useful when you want line work, dimensions, and details to stand out clearly, or when you need to prepare a drawing for standard grayscale output. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to print. You can open an existing project from your recent files or browse to a saved DWG file on your computer. Once your drawing is open, make sure everything looks correct on the screen before you move on to printing settings. This step is important because the plot style you choose will affect how your drawing appears in the final output. Next, on your keyboard, type plot and press enter. This opens the plot dialog box, which is where AutoCAD lets you control printing and page setup options. If you prefer, you can also access plotting from the ribbon, but using the command is often the fastest method. Once the plot window appears, take a moment to review your printer, paper size, and plot area if needed. Now, in the plot dialog, look for the plot style table option, sometimes labeled as pen assignments. This is the setting that controls how colors and line weights are translated during printing. Click the drop-down menu, and from the list, select monochrome.ctb. This tells AutoCAD to convert all plotted colors into black and white output, which is exactly what you want for a monochrome print. After selecting monochrome.ctb, it's a good idea to verify that the setting has applied correctly. Many users skip this part, but previewing can save you from wasting paper or printing something that doesn't look right. Click Preview to see how your drawing will appear in black and white. In the preview window, check that colored lines, text, and objects are now shown in monochrome and that the overall contrast looks correct. If everything looks good in the preview, close the preview window and return to the plot dialog. From there, click OK to apply the settings or send the drawing to print, depending on your setup. If you're printing to a physical printer, AutoCAD will use the monochrome plot style and output the drawing in black and white. If you're saving to PDF, the same settings will carry over into the file. And that's it. You've successfully set AutoCAD to display monochrome printing using the monochrome.ctb plot style. This is one of the easiest ways to make sure your drawings print cleanly and professionally every time. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.